When it comes to upgrading your kitchen game, finding the right air fryer can make all the difference, especially if you're concerned about toxic coatings like Teflon. A non-toxic air fryer not only ensures healthier cooking, but also gives peace of mind, knowing you're not exposing yourself or your family to questionable materials. Whether you're making weeknight dinners, meal prepping, or just reheating leftovers, choosing the right model matters. All the product links are in the description below, so feel free to check them out as we go. Let's dive in! Starting off strong with the Ninja Crispy Air Fryer, this one immediately stands out for its sleek design and versatility. With both 4-quart and 6-cup glass containers, it's perfect for anything from crisping fries to baking mini casseroles. The non-toxic glass setup is ideal if you're avoiding plastic or non-stick coatings. And the fact that everything is microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe makes cleanup ridiculously easy. The air circulation is solid, delivering even crisping without drying things out, although it's not the quietest unit on the market. Still, for busy families or anyone trying to juggle healthy eating with a packed schedule, this model hits a sweet spot. It's also surprisingly compact for what it can do, which makes it great for smaller kitchens or limited counter space. The Boswell 4.5-quart glass air fryer comes next, and I have to say, the transparent fry bowl is a game changer. Watching your food crisp up in real time somehow makes the process more satisfying. This model leans heavily into simplicity. No fancy presets, just reliable, even cooking with solid temperature control. It's dishwasher safe and non-toxic, which is exactly what we're looking for in this list. If you're someone who cooks a lot of single-serving meals or side dishes, the size is just right. That said, it's not the most compact unit and might not be the best fit for tiny kitchens. One thing that stands out about the Boswell is how well it holds up over time. The glass bowl doesn't discolor easily, even with frequent use. Now, the Vexen 4.5 Quartet 6-in-1 air fryer is where multifunctionality really kicks in. With settings for roasting, reheating, dehydrating, and even crisp technology, it's ideal for someone who likes to experiment. The glass viewing pot is practical and stylish, and the 97% less oil claim isn't just a gimmick, it really does cook efficiently without drowning your food in fat. One standout feature is the digital timer, which helps keep things precise. Compared to the Boswell, it adds more functions but is just slightly bulkier. Still, if you're the type who wants one gadget to do it all, this one delivers. It even handles more delicate foods like fish or thin-sliced veggies without drying them out or burning the edges, which isn't something every air fryer can do. While the previous models focus on size and function, the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer is all about speed and airflow. This thing is a beast in terms of performance. With superior airflow and a self-cleaning smart system, it's incredibly user-friendly. And with a 32 chicken wing capacity, it's ideal for entertaining or feeding a larger family. One thing that stands out about this unit is its PFOA-Free basket, which really drives home its commitment to non-toxic cooking. It's also surprisingly quiet for such a powerhouse. That said, it's more expensive than models like the Vexen, so it's a better fit if you're serious about air frying regularly. It's also worth noting that the self-cleaning feature actually saves a lot of time over the long run, especially for frequent users. Speaking of self-cleaning, the Fritaire self-cleaning air fryer brings a similar level of ease with a completely different aesthetic. Its 360-degree visibility is not just cool, it's functional. You can monitor your food without opening the unit and letting out heat. It's got 6-in-1 functionality, including rotisserie and roast options, and it's free of BPA and Teflon, which makes it ideal for health-conscious cooks. Imagine roasting a small chicken while seeing it spin and brown perfectly without opening the fryer once. However, it's a little slower to heat up than the Typhur Dome, so if speed is your priority, keep that in mind. Still, the visual design alone might win over anyone who enjoys an open kitchen concept or likes to show off their cooking gadgets. The NutriChef 5.8-quart air fryer is a great middle ground option. It's bigger than the Ninja and Vexen, but smaller than the Typhur or Emeril models. It offers 8 preset modes and a transparent fry bowl that helps with visual cooking cues. I really like how precise the temperature controls are. It's surprisingly dialed in for its price. It's also lightweight and easy to move around, which makes it good for apartment dwellers or anyone short on counter space. Just don't expect any app integrations or ultra-premium features. This one keeps it simple and effective. If you're the type who wants results without overthinking it, this unit offers a solid balance of form and function. Now, moving up in size and functionality, the Emeril Lagasse 26-quart air fryer oven is practically an entire cooking station. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a full French door oven setup with 24 cooking functions. If you're someone who cooks for a big family or hosts dinners, this is a dream appliance. You've got room for pizzas, rotisserie chickens, or multiple trays of roasted veggies, and the stainless steel finish adds a premium look. What stands out most about this design is how intuitive the digital controls are, despite the overwhelming number of settings. But be warned, it takes up a lot of space, so make sure you've got the counter real estate. That said, the versatility justifies its footprint if you're replacing multiple appliances with one. On the flip side, if you want that level of function in a smaller footprint, the Cosori 11-in-1 air fryer oven is the one to consider. This 13-quart model brings a compact form factor while still packing in rotisserie, toast, bake, roast, and reheat modes. I tested this one in a small apartment kitchen, and it fit perfectly without hogging the whole counter. The included recipe book is actually useful, not just filler, and it's ideal for someone who wants variety without clutter. Compared to the Emeril model, you lose some capacity but gain versatility in smaller spaces. Just note that it's not the fastest preheating unit, so plan a few extra minutes into your cooking time. But once it gets going, it delivers consistently crispy results with minimal oil. Lastly, we've got the Chefman Multifunctional Air Fryer Plus, which I'd describe as a workhorse with flair. With 17 touchscreen presets and a large 10-liter capacity, this one's built for families who love variety. The auto shutoff and easy view window are great safety and convenience touches, and I appreciate the included rotisserie and dehydrator functions. Imagine using this to prep school lunches: roasted sweet potato fries, dehydrated apple slices, and crispy nuggets, all done in one batch. While it doesn't have the brand recognition of a Ninja or Cosori, it punches above its weight in terms of features. If you're looking for high-end performance without breaking the bank, this one deserves a serious look. You won't exactly win popularity contests running this at full speed during family nap time, but for a busy household, it's a total win. So, let's sum it up to help you choose what's right for your kitchen. If you're looking for a compact no-fuss unit with great performance, the Ninja Crispy or Boswell models are excellent for small households. For maximum versatility in a mid-sized air fryer, the Vexen and NutriChef models offer strong value with useful features. Need something powerful for a crowd? Go for the Typhur Dome 2 or Emeril Lagasse 26QT. Both are excellent, but the Emeril is more suited to those who need oven-level functionality. If you're tight on space but still want versatility, the Cosori is perfect. And for those looking for premium features at a reasonable price, the Chefman brings a lot to the table. Whether you're prioritizing non-toxic materials, large capacity, or multifunctionality, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget, all the links to these products are in the description, and if this helped you make a decision, consider subscribing for more no-fluff, honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy air frying!